Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Starting out very chilly again this morning, but we do have a south breeze returning today, so that's actually going to push our temperatures back to near average for early January. Should feel pretty nice this afternoon, but there is going to be kind of a breezy south wind out there at times later today, so just look out for that if you do have any outdoor plans. But a look at the numbers this morning, quite a few areas in the 30s, and we have seen a few areas manage to drop into the low 20s as well, and a lot of the numbers are kind of overperforming as far as where the forecast models thought we would be, so that's why I've increased the high temperatures today to around 60 this afternoon, kind of splitting hairs whether it's 58 or 60, but it is going to be, I think, pretty comfortable this afternoon. The winds are starting out light, but once the sun is up today, we'll start to feel those winds kick in, and likely about a 10 to 15 mile per hour wind this morning, and may see some gusts up to about 20 miles per hour this afternoon. So you'll notice the wind if you do have any outdoor plans, and a few clouds passing through south of I-20 this morning, some rain down along the coastline, but we're kind of sandwiched in between a few different cloud decks here, so I do think we'll see plenty of sun early today, and probably these clouds arriving later on this afternoon across the northern Arklatex before we turn mostly cloudy tomorrow. So look at your highs, should be in the upper 50s in Texarkana, mid 50s north of I-30, and look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, which is showing pretty much all day sunshine here, but we know there's probably going to be a few clouds later this afternoon, and definitely some clouds taking over tonight. We do have a cold front on the way late Wednesday, so out ahead of that cold front, we'll begin to build that Gulf air back into the region, and as the front gets here, the air's still going to be relatively dry for what we're kind of accustomed to in this part of the country, so we're probably not going to squeeze out much rain, but you can see a few showers developing late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, so most of this rain will come through while you're sleeping and will clear out pretty quickly on Thursday. Notice the blue arrows, that's that cold north wind returning, so Thursday and Friday going to be some chilly days for us. And speaking of chilly, another cold night tonight, but it looks like most areas will be above freezing, so you may want to cover up the plants north of I-30, but the rest of us starting out tomorrow morning, upper 30s and low 40s, so we shouldn't have that kind of hard freeze that we've had the last few nights here. Again, your temperatures in the low 60s tomorrow. The cold front cools us into the upper 40s and low 50s Thursday, Friday. Notice freezing again by Friday morning, but we do have a warm front coming across the Arklatex this weekend, so Saturday afternoon we may begin to see some showers and storms and possibly some trailing rainfall here on Sunday, so the weekend won't be a complete washout, but look out for that rain late Saturday, and then another cool down with drier weather returning early next week.